Okay, so maybe you're wondering what types of videos you can implement in your business. Here's a few that we can create. The first one is a brand message video. So what is a brand message video? A brand message video, or BMV, is a long form video typically in a 16:9 aspect ratio that conveys the overall message of your company's brand. Think of it as your main ad or about us, giving a general rundown of your business, what your business does, and what purpose it serves. Generally speaking, a brand message video typically handles the heavier load of the message that you want to send to your ICP, or your ideal client profile, to help them understand your business. A brand message video is typically anywhere between 30 to 90 seconds in duration. The ideal platform to place a brand message video is typically on your company's home or main page, whether it be on your social media page or your website. Check out this example of a brand message video.
Ogle Tree Service, our name provides the professional service you can trust for all your tree service needs, whether big or small.
We appreciate your business from our family to yours.
Ogle Tree Service, rooted in quality and professionalism.
As you can see, the video contains relevant content pertaining to the business. It shows us a little glimpse of what the business specializes in and how it operates. It has a script with a voiceover telling an emotional story accompanied by music to help the video flow well. The point of this type of video is to give your targeted audience a general overview of your company so that they can know more about you. Speaking of knowing more about your business, this brings us to the next type of video, and that is a testimonial video. So this type of video is pretty much self-explanatory. A testimonial video is a very powerful and effective way to have your past customers sell your business for you by way of simply recommending you to others based on their testimony of working with you. You've probably checked out the reviews of a local business, such as a restaurant or product, on Amazon before making a purchase. And that's because you want to see other customers and their experience on that product and or service before you invest into it. This substantially increases rapport with your ideal customers, ultimately building that foundation of trust before they commit to your services or products. Here's a brief clip of an example of a testimonial video.
That all the way through. I would recommend Benmar to anyone building. I would recommend them because from the very start, they have one goal, and that is to satisfy their client. No matter how they get there, no matter what the challenges are, their goal was to satisfy the client, and they were absolutely intent on seeing to it that we had an end product that was exactly what we wanted, not what they wanted, what we wanted.
As you can see, the gentleman spoke well of the business he worked with on camera, with plenty of visuals to make what he was saying very comprehensible. Customer testimonials are highly recommended above any other video I offer, primarily because they come from an unbiased perspective. You can try selling yourself to others as much as you want, but a customer testifying of their experience working with you or using your products significantly outweighs anything you could ever try to sell yourself. This, of course, is assuming you have a customer base already. Another important video I recommend is precisely what you're watching right now, and that's educational videos. Educational videos, just like what I've done so far in this video, help explain in detail your expertise and experience in a specific skill or industry. So many businesses out there today do not educate their customers enough on why their ICP should hire them for their needs. Maybe your company has experienced issues of not being able to sell your products and or services because the customer doesn't really understand the difference between your basic product or service in comparison to your premium, or even your competition. They may not know why they need to pay a little higher for your services because of what you offer in comparison to the cheapest guy in town. Educational videos truly help your potential customers make well-informed decisions about your product and or service, which is one of the number one reasons why people won't make a purchase when they don't understand what they are buying. Educational videos have a dual purpose. Number one, they help your potential customers make better educated decisions, which helps build trust, showing them that you care about them understanding what you have to offer. And number two, they help save you time from repeating yourself over and over to new audiences. And that's the benefit from educational content. So what if you don't have a big following online and maybe your business needs some followers or you're just starting out? That brings us to the next valuable piece of content, and that is micro content. Micro content is basically your short form videos such as Facebook or Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts. These are typically in 9:16 vertical format and are best utilized on those platforms. Micro content is usually chopped up versions of the long form videos under 60 seconds in duration. Reels and Shorts are proven to increase followers by introducing your brand to a much wider audience while incorporating your videos with relevant and relatable subject matter that grabs the attention of the viewers who use that platform. If you've been on social media for any length of time, chances are you've seen these viral videos floating around, making them a very powerful way to increase followers and grab the attention of audiences who think your videos are cool and trendy. The idea for micro content is to throw out valuable snippet videos to draw attention to your brand in the shortest and most compelling way possible. The more consistent you are with these type of videos, the greater chance you'll have of people becoming increasingly interested in what your business has to offer, provided the content is valuable, relatable, and relevant. Many other videos can be introduced to a business, such as how-to videos and employee onboarding and training videos that could significantly help the workflow of any business operate more smooth and efficiently by saving time, energy, and money. All these videos that I've talked about are the building blocks to create a sales funnel, as they all work together to increase online presence, send a message, and build trust, and ultimately increase leads and sales, which is the goal. When executed properly and with the right vision in mind, creating a video marketing strategy like this adds value to your brand beyond what was capable many years ago. If you have any questions about any of these videos as part of my services, please feel free to ask. I hope I was able to help you understand a little bit more about how these play a huge part in growing your brand. Thanks, and God bless you.